Hi, on this fourth video, what I'm going to demonstrate is to create a new page. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, we just have to simply invoke this button, this create page button. When we do that, we're actually commanding Google Site to allow us create a new page. And then, but before that, it will actually prompt us the following options or the following variables, like the name of our page. So in this demonstration, let me name my page, my new page as My Travels, because my very intention is that in this particular page, I'm going to feature all my travels. After after indicating the title of our page, then we are asked to select a template to use in this particular page. What are these all about? So by default, web page is being selected. Are there some? Yes, there are. So it could also be announcements, a file cabinet, and list. So what are the differences to each of them? If we say web page, it is just simply one single page where you can combine text, graphics, video, audio, etc., etc. It's just that it is just one single page. How it differs from announcements? Announcements is a special type of page wherein, aside from it is actually one big page, it can contain some sub pages. So basically, this is actually what I am going to choose later because my very intention is that to feature my travels, not only one travel but several travels. What about file cabinet? The file cabinet is a type of page where in its intention is that if we would like to upload some files so that our constituents can download them later, so better we have to choose this file cabinet type of a page. Now, what about the list? The list is a special type of page which is ideal for giving lists. Like for example, I want to list down all my favorite books and with their descriptions, like favorite movies with the reviews. So if you have that kind of intention, better choose the list template for your web page. So now in this demonstration, as what I've said earlier, since I'm going to feature my travels, I would like to have I would like to choose the announcements because that will really fit my need. Now, our next selection is would be identifying the location of our page. Maybe in my previous video, if you get noticed that I was able to present to you the site map, it's actually displaying all the contents of our chosen template, meaning there were the predefined web pages, and then they are actually in the form of hierarchy, right? You saw the plus button there. If you did not, you can go back to the video and you can view it again. And then there's a portion there where each web page, some of the web pages have a plus sign at the left part, meaning to say it has actually subcomponents. Now, what are these options all about? If I say put page at the top level, meaning I would like to put it at the top, I mean at the root of the directory. So that is actually my intention for this demonstration, but I will just also say something about the other options. Uh, Obviously, if you choose this one, this will put our page under the home part, the home page. Now, if you would like to specifically put it somewhere, you can choose this. Choose a different location. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna choose this one. And what we've got here is that at once, Google site presented to us the hierarchy, the sitemap, the hierarchy of all the existing web pages already. So you notice that, okay, this class announcements, say for example, is a type of web page that used the announcement type. So this is what I was telling you earlier, that this type of web page will allow us to have what we call some items. And then we also have here, I think, ordinary web page here. The homework assignments. We have also reading list. So the reading list is obviously referring to the list type. And then some others, some others also. Okay, now, if we want to put our page somewhere under to any of these existing pages, we just simply have to click this episode, contact me. Then when we create that page, that will become the new page that we are going to create will become automatically under that particular page. But that's not our intention. I want to make up one solid branch, one solid branch in this particular website. So I'll have to put it here. I will have to choose put page at the top level so that it will be aligned with this about me class. which I expect it to arrive to come up maybe somewhere here below, or maybe if it is sorted by what you call it, by name, so it might be somewhere letter M. Where's the letter M? Somewhere here, maybe somewhere here as a root web page. Now, if we are done with these options, we're done with our selections, if we are comfortable with what we've chosen, what we have indicated, so what we're gonna do is just simply invoke create. Then this will tell Google site, please create. So it has, please wait, creating page. At least we are notified. And there we go. There we go. We successfully created a page. Then you would notice that since I have chosen what we call that. I have chosen the um, the announcement type. So automatically I will have this button of new post because this particular button will allow us to have sub elements of this particular page. As a whole, it is called my travel. But if I want to come up with a new entry, one entry for my travel, I just have to invoke new post. So for now, I'll just have to stop here and have another separate video as to how to actually create a new post.